Let's try another problem where we find the area of a regular polygon, in this case a hexagon, and now we have a different piece of information. So find the area of the regular hexagon using the given information, radius 6. Okay, so last time we were given a side length, so now let's try one where we're given a radius. All right, so the radius is the distance from the center to the vertex. So we know that this is 6, okay? Boom, 6. And then everywhere else is 6. Okay? So you remember from the previous video that we are able to find this angle here by just taking 360 and dividing by the number of angles that we have. In this case, it's 6, and that's 60. So we know that this angle is 60. Okay? So if I redraw this, okay? All right? I know that this is 60 if I'm dropping an altitude, because the whole point is I want to find the height, because if I find the area of one of these triangles, I can just multiply it by 6 to get the area of the entire polygon, the entire hexagon in this case. So this is 60, so this will go to 30, okay? This was 6 here, all right? So because this is a special right triangle, I'm just going to go from the hypotenuse to the short leg, which is just the short leg is half the length of the hypotenuse. And then from the short leg, I can go to the long leg, which in this case is the height, which I just multiply by root 3, okay? So now I am looking at a triangle, and I'll erase this right here. Now I'm looking at a triangle that has a height of 3 root 3, and a base, it's going to be 6. And the reason I know it's 6 is for 2 reasons. Number one, this is 3, so this is also 3, so together it becomes 6. Or it's a unique situation with a regular hexagon where you actually create 6 equilateral triangles, okay? So they're all 60, 60, 60, okay? Which means that the side lengths are all the same. So the radius is the same length as the side, okay, and that's unique to hexagons. Okay, so now if I want the area, it's just going to be 1/2 base times height. In this case, the base is 6, and the height is 3 root 3. Okay, so if I want the area of one triangle, it's going to be 1/2 times 6 times 3 root 3. Okay, all right, and then when I multiply that through, I'm going to get the area of one triangle to be, I'm just going to divide that 9 root 3, okay? And for those of you that are wondering how I got that, I ended up with 18 root 3 over 2, okay? So 18 divided by 2 is 9, okay? So the area of one of these triangles is 9 root 3, so if I want the area of the entire hexagon, that would be the area of all 6. So all that's going to be is area of hexagon, okay, is just going to be 6 times 9 root 3, which in this case, well, not in this case, in every case, it's going to be 54 root 3. And we don't have any units, so we're just going to do units squared. Always do that, because your teacher will most likely never take off for you doing units squared, but may take off if you don't write units squared. So that's always a good tip there. So 54 root 3 units squared is the area of this hexagon. Very good.